Welcome to my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Today's recipe, it's very common. Everybody knows this recipe, but I think I have to share this recipe. It's a Kerala tradition, right? Recipe. It's Mappas. As soon as you hear the word Mappas, the first thing in your mind will be, it will be a duck Mappas or chicken. No, I'm making a vegetarian. It's with okra or lady's finger. So I'm showing you my recipe. If you like it, please share it. Sharing the knowledge is the most important thing in the world. So try it, share it, comment it. If it's good or whatever it will be, I don't mind. But your comments makes me perfect. That's what my belief is. So please support me and please subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's move on to the video. Place a pot like this, a clay pot or any pot you have. Add coconut oil. You can see there are some extra coconut oil. Yes, we have to fry the okra first. Oil is hot now. Add the lady's finger okra to the hot oil. Stir like this and let it fry. It's a very important tip. You make sure you fry this okra first. Especially when you are doing like mappas, some with gravy, right? Like sambar. So make sure you fry the okra first. So the gluey, the waxy thing from the okra won't be there. So it will be very smooth. See? After cooking, you see the difference. The chewy, the gummy thing is already gone. When you stir, you cannot see anymore the glue or wax, whatever we can call it. It's not there anymore. This is very important step. The okra is fried already, so let's remove from the pan. Make sure the oil is still there because we have to do this. After removing the okra, the seeds from the okra, make sure you remove this one too. To the hot oil, the red onions, garlic, ginger, green chilies, curry leaf, combine well. The onions we just added. No need to turn into golden brown and all. You have to just saute. See the onions? Nicely sauteed. Turn into very low heat. Cardamom, cinnamon stick, salt, turmeric, combine well. After 1 minute, coriander powder, garam masala powder, combine well. Cook for 3 minutes till the spices are cooked. It's now 3 minutes now. The spices are cooked. Tomatoes. Combine well. See the tomatoes lightly smashed. That's we need only. Now we add the okra. Combine well. Now we add the second milk. Combine well onto a medium heat. After getting simmering, you will boil for 5 minutes. The gravy, it's very thick now. Turn off the heat. Add the first milk. Combine well. Don't boil after adding the first milk. May have a chance of curdling. Take a pot like this. Add coconut oil. Shallots. Stir continuously and lightly turn the color. Cracked black pepper. Combine well. The shallots are golden now. Turn off the heat. Chili powder. Combine well. We can add now to the curry. Cover and let it stay for 10 minutes. After adding the tempering, no need to stir, just cover and leave it for 10 minutes. So the flavor will be infused, then we will stir. Ten minutes. Now we can stir. The mappas we just made, it's ready. It's beautiful flavors, huh? The coconut milk, then the shallots, a little bit of sweetness somewhere from the shallots, not too spicy, very mild, but it have a kick at the end, very light kick, very smooth texture. I am eating with chapati. You can rice, appams. It will be a beautiful combination. So when you eat, you enjoy and eat. It's my way, Josh Master's Kitchen way. Oh, sorry, I forgot to off my video. Sorry.